Let's do the painting. Today, I will show you how to make a color. Are you ready? Let's just start it. Hi guys, it's me again, Yon, and my brother Jacob. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Yon Wonders. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing my channel. Please stay connected and stay safe. Today, we will do another artwork using different materials. Are you ready? Then let's get started! First, we will use the cotton buds. And cotton buds. Watercolors and a plate. We'll use the cotton buds to paint a tree. Now we will paint the tree using 3 different colors: red, yellow, and green. Just give a big thumbs up. Now we will do another painting style using our fingertips, our second finger. Another painting style. Do you like it? If you like it, then just give us a big thumbs up. Next painting technique, we will use fork. Where is my fork? thumbs up. We will use a plastic bottle to make a flower. Is our artwork. Do you like our flower art? If you like it, then just give us a big thumbs up. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe so that I can make more of my exciting and amazing videos. See you in the next artwork. Bye bye. Init, Mama. All the colors. Bye guys. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.